In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content management system in Clickup. We'll set up a dedicated space for your content pipeline, choose a workflow that fits marketing processes, and configure a task so every piece of content moves from idea to published without getting lost. First, open Clickup and hit the plus icon to create a new space. Give your space a clear, memorable name, something like content management or editorial. If you like, add a short description to explain how this space should be used. This helps teammates on board quickly and keeps everyone aligned on what lives here. Before moving on, review default permissions. Decide who can create, edit, and delete. For example, writers might create and edit while only leads archive or delete. If your work is confidential or in early development, you can also make the space private and invite only the people who need access. When that looks right, continue. Now define your workflow. Pick the option built for marketing teams to start with statuses that mirror a typical content lifecycle. This gives you a head start with stages like ideas, drafting, review, and published. Confirm and create the space. With the space ready, add your first task. Think of a task as a single piece of content, like a blog post, video, or email. Give it a descriptive title so it's instantly recognizable, then save it. Open the task you just made and fine-tune the details. Set the status to reflect where it is right now. Add dates so you have a clear start and due date. These drive timelines and workload planning. Enter a time estimate to forecast effort and track capacity. Use tags to label things like channel, content type, or campaign so you can filter and report later. Assign the task to the right owner and, if needed, co-owners. Set a priority so the team knows whether this item is urgent or nice to have. If you track time, enable time tracking here so production hours roll up to reports. Use relationships to link this content to related tasks, briefs, or design tickets. Add fields to capture your key metadata. Think URL slug, SEO title, target keyword, publish platform, or content stage owner. Break work into subtasks like outline, draft, edit, design, compliance, and publish. Add checklists for repeatable steps such as QA, links, alt text, and final checks. Attach briefs, screenshots, or assets directly to the task for a single source of truth. Visit the Activity tab to see updates, comments, and history. When you're ready to collaborate, use Share to control who can view or edit this work while keeping access tight. That's your streamlined content management system in ClickUp. Organized, trackable, and ready to scale.